It can be difficult to navigate government rules while maintaining a self-sufficient way of life. However, there are a number of tactics homesteaders can employ to help ensure compliance while still upholding their practices. 1. Educate yourself. It's critical for homesteaders to be knowledgeable about local ordinances, such as zoning rules, environmental protection legislation, and building codes. This can assist them in foreseeing prospective obstacles and figuring out how to cooperate with the system. 2. Be proactive. Before beginning any projects or activities on their property, homesteaders should look into obtaining the necessary permits and licenses. This can assure adherence to local laws and assist avert potential problems in the future. 3. Get legal counsel. Homesteaders may want to seek legal counsel from an attorney familiar with local regulations if they are unsure of how to manage particular regulations. By doing so, companies can help protect themselves from potential fines or penalties and ensure that they are in compliance with all applicable laws. 4. To guarantee that local officials and regulators are aware of the homesteading lifestyle and its advantages, homesteaders can also establish relationships with them. This may lead to changes in local regulations that would better promote homesteading practices and help to establish a more friendly regulatory environment. 5. Participate in advocacy groups. Finally, to stay up to date on legislative changes and their possible effects on their way of life, homesteaders can join groups that fight for their rights and interests, such as the Homesteaders of America. These groups can offer helpful assistance and tools for negotiating the regulatory environment. Are you looking for the best commercial quality homesteading products from modular Amish sheds to meat processing equipment? You need Homestead Supplier. Click the safe link below direct to their official website for info.